Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's Mystery Tech time. Mystery Tech. What is Zapanu? Hey guys, this is Austin, and I did not say that right. And this is the January edition of Mystery Tech featuring Okay, so that looks like a normal pair of over-ear headphones. Are these like fake over-ear headphones that you just put your earbuds in to look cool? I can't possibly imagine why this would ever make sense. For maximum audio quality on your mobile device, turn off the EQ. So it's just telling you to just crank the volume as loud as humanly possible. This is a really bad idea. Wait. Is that bass I hear? What? This doesn't work, does it? Hold on. It is kind of echoey though. And it's not that loud. You know what it sounds like when you put it in? It's like the trick of like cupping your hand around like the speaker of your phone. Like that's kind of what it sounds like, except in headphone form. I need to listen to what these sound like without the headphones on, because that's trippy. There's no way it's like that big of a difference. All right, let's reset all those garbage EQ settings I just used. So these actually have more bass than I remember. It's definitely a difference putting them in the Zazzle thing or whatever. Actually, I think they do sound better by themselves. Anyone want to take a bet on how much these cost?
$49.99.
25.
25, all right. I'm gonna go with 30. Woo, $50. Matt Ancini. Yeah, don't spend $50 on this. Just buy a better pair of headphones. Mr. Belido, what's up next? Woo, Kimyon, turn your light on. Well, wait, what? Okay. Whoa! Why is it so big? Look, okay, this is normal glasses for comparison. Why is that so enormous? Oh, hello. All right, what am I doing right now? Wait, can I change it? I have no idea what any of these things are. Hey guys, this is Austin, and this is the future of modern technology. It's glasses that light up when you do this. So it looks like you can customize it and have it say whatever you want. Matt, how much are these?
They are $70.
$70? Ooh, yeah, worth it. Very worth it. That's Megaraptor. Why is Megaraptor? What are you getting Roboraptor for? What? We just did this. Oh no, you did not get another. It's Robo Spider? Ken, no! The joke was funny the first time. It was a little bit funny the second time. It was mildly funny the third time. I mean, come on! What, do you hear how loud this is? How much money did you waste on this?
$200. On sale.
On sale? Great. It's on sale. It's fine, right? Don't worry about it. Yes, I agree. And I have a Mechamon. Yep, that's it. Whoa! Okay, this is way cooler than Roboraptor. Whoa, there's another one, okay. Whoa, yo! Okay, that's kinda cool. That's kinda cool. Boom! Oh, wait, no. Rotate. Block it. Mecha Man lost. I mean, that seems pretty self-explanatory. Let's try this on the floor, shall we? Oh no, no, stop, block it, no! Shoot it! What? I don't get it. Well, that is the smallest thing in Mystery Tech yet. The J-Cub. So it has an app in the Google Play Store, Windows Store, HTML5, and it features NFC. This is a Bluetooth ring. Is this just a ring with Bluetooth? And it's got some little bumps inside, and that's it. Wow, there's literally nothing else here.
You proposed already, right? Oh yeah, right, you did. Never mind. We're good.
Like, did you even try with this? How do we get this to work?
You're the tech expert.
I mean, you've run a channel for 10 years on tech. You'd think you'd be able to figure out how to sign into something. It's okay, your dad offered us a job, so.
It says Team Lift for a reason, man. What is this? So this is a box from, oh, Zydex. Oh, is there a PC in here? Oh, I just got much happier. All right, let's see what we got. Ken, you did not spend a large amount of company money on this computer, did you?
No.
Okay, good.
Oh my god.
Oh no, that's terrible.
Oh my god.
Okay, well,
Can we please put it on the table?
oh, yeah.
Like,
The ring is forgiven. This, my friends, might be the most overkill gaming PC we've ever featured on the channel. So this is a custom config straight from Zydex, and I mean, just look at the water cooling. Look at Inside, we have a Core i9 9900K, of course overclocked and water cooled. We have a 2080 Ti. We have the full hardline loop, 64 gigs of RAM. Oh, If you take a look at the motherboard, you'll see the MSI Dragon just constantly kicking ass. Good job. This will definitely not be the last time you see the system on the channel, but let's give a little gaming a try. So as you guys probably know, Battlefield 5 is not the easiest game to play in the world. However, it is one of the only games right now that does support ray tracing, something that this RTX 2080 Ti has absolutely no problem with. Even on full ultra settings at 1080p, we're still in the 80 to 90 frame per second range. Turn a little bit of ray tracing down, and we are way, way above 100. And with that, we undoubtedly have the most expensive episode of Mystery Tech ever. Can we not top this one? I actually don't we're good here, right? We don't need to spend any more money. This can be like the grand finale. Why are you so quiet? Oh no.